Darling, you send me, I know you send me.
Anyway, we got a new car, and my parents are picking me up in it today, so we're gonna go see the new car. I might not show it to you until I get home, but this is exciting. New car. Hello, and welcome to the new car. I wish it was mine. Okay, so it's really cool. We're gonna take this off though, because my hair. I don't want to mess up my hair. And it's not too cold. Where's the temperature on here? I don't know. So yeah, welcome to the new car. Okay. But this thing is super cool. It has like a steering wheel warmer. It has a giant sunroof. Let's see if I can figure out how to open it. Yeah. It goes all the way back there. That's crazy. It's so cool though. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so it has that, and then it has it has a navigation system and Bluetooth and all of that good stuff. Still trying to pop off this nail. Anyway, and heated and cooled seats and steering wheel warmer. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm gonna jam out, so bye guys.
All of my life savings on it, you know. It's pretty expensive.
Well, yeah, I know, but
Pretty expensive.
yeah, totally. I just figured you might want to put it on a vlog or something. Hello, Vlogmas Day 4. She's gonna give me a surprise, so that's nice. Okay, you want me to close my eyes or?
You can. I'm just gonna blow it at you.
I'm cold. I don't know why I took my jacket off, but I did.
Is that a new shirt?
I mean, yeah.
You got it for Black Friday?
Yeah.
Okay. Just make sure it's not a Christmas. Ready?
Sure. Oh, thank you.
You said you wanted them, and so like that day after school, I was like, I'll go back and get some, and then I forgot them, and I was like, crap.
Thank you.
We literally had no time to do anything.
True. She's talking about because of our classes on that day.
Hi, me and Linus, we gotta get chargers for the red frog.
Where did Alyssa go?
I don't know.
I'm shaking. I've never seen him actually smile like that.
I don't smile.
I know. No, when he's smiling. I'm gonna zoom in on that.
That's nice.
Anyway, do it again.
I got my muffs.
So his nickname is Muffs. His nickname is Muffs. Get it.
He's in a good mood today.
That's good.
Hey vlog, so I found out something on Alexis. You know how she can do that thing? Yeah. Well, so I was playing with her hand yesterday, just making weird designs, and I figured out she could do something that most people can't.
It looks pretty normal to me.
You must be like kind of cool in
I
there.
thought everybody could do this.
Delete that weeks ago.
Okay.
Delete it. Delete it now.
So if they ever take an embarrassing picture of me or anything, I always I'm always like delete it. So they have an impression of how I react. So y'all go ahead.
Delete it. Delete it now. Delete it now before I delete it. Delete it. I'm gonna delete it.
We don't delete it, we're gonna have a problem. I'm so mad at you.
I'm not talking to you for the rest of the day. You won't delete it, Mekinzee with an A.
Why would you even make that?
Yeah. Don't show anybody. I swear, don't.
I can't. I'm so dead. What? Daily Bailey. I'm trying to get that set up. You want to get in the vlog? Come on, it's a Daily Bailey.
I was talking to my mom this morning, and we got on the subject of my jacket. And
So cold.
instead of saying jacket pocket, I said packet jacket. Packet jacket. No, packet jacket. Yeah, I said packet jacket.
What was it this morning I said? So we were driving to school this morning, and the trucks were coming, and my dad said, "Here they come." And I said, who comes they? Who comes they is what I said. Who comes they? And he didn't even notice. He goes, the trucks. He said the trucks.
I'm just saying. Who
comes they? What?
Did your dad's older? That said that phrase is
No,
not
he
his
just
mom.
hears her talk stupid all the time.
That's nice. Anyway, and then I said, did you just hear what I said? He said, no, what'd you say? I said, who comes they? And he said, who comes they? Haha. And he started laughing.
If he responded, I did not know what you said.
He didn't notice that I said, who comes they? I was trying to say, yeah, I was trying to say, here comes who, and who's they? So, because I didn't know who they was. So, yeah. I was trying to figure out who they was. And they was the trucks. What was that?
Slap your pepperoni.
Why do you have a pack of pepperoni?
He's got the pizza.
I want to look at it. Hold on, wait.
Pepperoni. No, I'm not.
Pee-pie Roni. Pee-pee Roni, as Jesse used to say. That was funny.
Punch in the face.
Pee-pee Roni.
You're gay.
You're gay.
Frick.
That was risky. I was just like, what was about to risk it all?
Not going to hurt you, it's not going to look like that, but I don't have to touch your elbow. Okay? She's lying.
Ask me a question. Ask me.
Hey vlog, it's me, back at it again. Hello. How are you doing today? That's fantastic. How's your mom and him? That's good.
Candy and hang out with Reed and stuff.
Yeah, I was just about to say that. Oh, and Reed.
What kind of candy, Alyssa?
She's attempting. Vicky. Okay, so she's attempting to eat Milky Way, and it's cold, so it's harder. And also, she has braces. I didn't think about it whenever I gave it to her. So, oops.
Darling.